Sometimes things don't go as planned on Spotify. Maybe, your Spotify music isn't playing or your account has an issue. It could be frustrating, but don't worry, there's an easy way to get the help that you need from Spotify support. So first you're going to open the Spotify app or the website and scroll down to find the help section, okay? This is going to lead you to the Spotify community where you could ask questions or find answers to common problems. If you can't find what you need, you can use the Contact Us page. Okay, the page is called Contact Us. Here you're going to be able to chat directly with Spotify support. Spotify also offers a live chat feature on their website. So if you need quick help, this is the best way to get in touch with a real person who can solve your issue. Now you can also try reaching out through Twitter by messaging at Spotify Cares. They are quick to respond and they can help with most problems. All right? So just remember, getting help from Spotify is very simple and quick. If you like these tips, hit that like button, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want. Thanks for being here. Love ya. Ciao.